Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona time. It's Corona time. It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona time. Corona time. It's Corona time. It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now.
Hey guys, what's going on? So I want to talk to you today about this little item here. This is a drone drop system. It's how I was able to do my first drone delivery with my neighbor of that toilet paper. And yes, he got to keep the roll. He was super cool and I had a blast making that. So let's just jump right into this. So this whole system basically clips right onto your DJI Mavic Pro or Mavic 2 Pro. And we've got a servo on this side and we've got the battery and the sensor on this other side here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the servo. So to control the drop system, it actually uses the state of the lights. In the DJI Go 4 app, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set the lights to be turned on and off with one of the C buttons on the back of the controller. And you can do that in the app under the settings in the remote control settings area. And that's how you can configure one of those buttons. And once you do that, you'll be able to control the mechanism. Look at that. How simple is that? Really, really easy to use. And this is where the little sensor is. It's rubber banded on. It's got this plastic cover here. And that's it. There's no trigger. There's no remote anything. Your distance to drop is as far as you can fly the drone. One thing I want to suggest is that just to make it easier to put things on here, you're going to want to use a paperclip. That way you don't have to worry about lining up your stuff. You could just put a paperclip in, press the button, drop the item, and you're going. Paperclips are a dime a dozen, so those are really easy to just drop and let go. I guess some final words. I wouldn't try to lift more than, say, 500 grams with this. You might be able to get a can of soup out to somebody or something like that. And you know what? We're going to give that a test. I got the soup can rigged up, and we are ready to go. So let's see what this is like. So yeah, you can with no problem lift a Campbell's chicken soup with rice and then drop it with this if you want to. It's not going to be an issue. Just try to keep it, again, no more than 400, 500 grams. Also, doing this is not covered by your DJI warranty. So don't blame me if something happens. So besides the weight, something else to keep in mind. If you would like to record your drops, you're going to have to use the cached video that you can save on your phone in the app. And the reason for that is because, well, the lights go on and off when you use the record button. And I haven't really found a way around that. So if you're using the physical record button to record to an SD card on board, lights are going to go on and off, and it's just not going to work. So definitely use your phone cache. That's going to be the way that you can get that video, or do a screen recording, one or the other. That's the way I was able to show you footage of my drop. Alright, so honestly, that's about it. It's a really simple system. There's not much else to say besides that. Let me know if you guys have any questions down in the comments below. I've got links for the Mavic 2, the Mavic Pro, and also the Mavic Zoom. It works on that one too. Links to everything is in the description below, as well as any coupon codes to get a little money off. It's a pretty cheap system. I don't think you could build something as nice as this. You don't have to drill any holes in your Mavic. It's just all clean and there. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, and as always, have a great day, guys. Stay safe, wash your hands, and all that good stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna go do some dropping.